Welcome back to my channel. Samsung's Galaxy Buds series has established itself as a leader in the true wireless earbuds market, renowned for its innovative features and incremental enhancements with each successive model. As the latest iteration, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro builds upon the foundations laid by its predecessor, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, introducing new design elements, upgraded features, and refined performance. However, the question remains, which model is best suited to meet your specific needs? This article provides an in-depth comparison of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, delving into their design, features, software, battery life, microphone performance, noise cancellation, and sound quality. By examining the strengths and weaknesses of each model, will help you make an informed decision and choose the perfect companion for your audio journey. Whether you prioritize noise cancellation, sound quality, or seamless integration with your Samsung device, this comparison will guide you in selecting the ideal Galaxy Buds model for your unique preferences. Design and comfort. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro features a lollipop design with a shiny, smooth surface and triangle-shaped stems for easier control. However, some users found them less comfortable and prone to slipping out of their ears compared to the Buds 2 Pro. On the other hand, the Buds 2 Pro has a more compact bulb design with a matte rubberized texture, making them generally more ergonomic and comfortable. Charging cases. The charging cases for both models have some key differences. The Buds 3 Pro has a clear lid, is thinner, and is less prone to scratches. In contrast, the Buds 2 Pro has an opaque lid, is thicker and more grippy, but scratches easily. Features and software. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and Buds 2 Pro boast seamless Bluetooth connectivity, with the Buds 3 Pro utilizing the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology. This enables advanced features like LE audio, allowing public broadcast tuning and effortless audio sharing. In contrast, the Buds 2 Pro supports Bluetooth 5.3. While both models are fully customizable via the Samsung Wearable app on Android, the Buds 3 Pro offers additional premium features, including an N-band equalizer for tailored soundscapes and real-time language translation, exclusive to Samsung devices. However, it's important to note that neither model supports app connectivity for iOS devices, limiting their functionality for Apple users. This significant difference may influence the purchasing decision for those invested in the Apple ecosystem. Despite this, the Buds 3 Pro's enhanced features make it an attractive choice for Samsung enthusiasts seeking a superior audio experience. Battery life and microphone performance. The Buds 2 Pro has a slightly longer battery life, lasting around 4 hours and 50 minutes with ANC on, compared to the Buds 3 Pro's 4 hours and 31 minutes. Both fall short of the battery life offered by other flagship true wireless earbuds. In terms of microphone performance, the Buds 2 Pro has good noise rejection in noisy environments, but voices might sound less clear. The Buds 3 Pro has clearer vocals, but struggles with noise rejection in outdoor environments. Noise cancellation and sound quality. The Buds 2 Pro offers better noise cancellation performance, reducing noise by an average of 84% according to lab tests, compared to the Buds 3 Pro's 76%. Both earbuds have a slight bass emphasis and align closely with the preference curve, but the Buds 3 Pro has a slightly stronger emphasis in the bass-sub-bass region and scores slightly higher in multi-dimensional audio quality tests. Conclusion. Ultimately, the choice between the Galaxy 3 Pro and the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro depends on your priorities. If you value noise cancellation, longer battery life, better microphone noise rejection, and a more affordable option with flagship-level performance, choose the Buds 2 Pro. If you want the latest features and technology, prioritize sound quality, are invested in the Samsung device ecosystem, and don't mind a shorter battery life and average noise cancellation, choose the Buds 3 Pro. If you're as excited as we are about the future of smartphone technology, be sure to stay tuned. We'll keep you updated with all the latest news and rumors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming content. See you in the next video, and until then,